Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rizka Amanda from 2023 international class. I will explain it, my research assignment. For the first, research background and gap. This research is motivated by the intense competition within the cosmetic industry, especially between global brands like Maybelline and recent local brands such as Wardah and Makeover. Based on recent top brand index data, Maybelline experienced a significant decline in 2024. Despite its strong brand recognition, one major challenging how digital marketing strategies, content marketing, influencer, and the marketing online customer review can effectively influence consumer purchasing decision, particularly among active Instagram user in Surabaya. However, previous studies show inconsistent results regarding the influence of these digital strategies. Some suggest a strong correlation, while others find little to no effect. This creates a research gap that my study aims to fill, analyzing the real impact of these variables on my building product purchases in the digital age. And for the next, I will give the conclusive for the methodology and why this use the quantitative. The study adopt a conclusive and casual quantitative research design because the main objective is to test cause-effect relationship between three independent variables and one independent variable purchasing decision why quantitative because it allow objective measurement through statistical tools like multiple linear regression, and it supports data validation and reliability testing, and it enables broader generalization from representative samples. I choose this method because instead of qualitative or mixed methods because the research does not to explore in the deep individual behavior, but the rather statistically prove the relationship among variables. And this approach differs from previous studies such as Welsa et al. 2022, which is focused on Shopee marketplace users, and my research specifically tested Instagram and TikTok users, two of the most influential platform among Gen Z and millennial in Indonesia. Next, for the research flow and validation, which is the population women age in the 5 until 35 years in Surabaya, active on the TikTok and Instagram, who have purchased Maybelline in the past 6 months, and sampling technique to non-probability purposive sampling using the Cochrane formula and with a total of 110 respondents, and the data collection conducted via online collection using the Likesar, and the validation reliability tested using SPSS 28, including percent correlation for the validity and chromatin alpha for reliability. Statistical analysis includes multiple linear regression to assess the effect of each independent variable. Classical assumption tests like multicollinearity, heterogeneity, normality, and linearity. For the next, I will research output and contribution, which is as like my output. I'm the use an empirical model that explains how content marketing, influence marketing, and online customer review influence purchasing decision, and use strategic recommendation for the cosmetic brands, especially Maybelline, to optimize the digital marketing effort on TikTok and Instagram. And for the strange compared to previous research, which is we can specific focus on user of two major social media platform in the major city, especially Surabaya city, and it incorporates update platform specific marketing behavior, which is a practical applicable insight that can directly improve brand strategies in the real marketing. And for the next, it's like what I business the perspective from the result our output, which is from a business perspective, the result can help companies like Maybelline develop more effective marketing strategies based on data-driven insight. From a social standpoint, the findings can empower local cosmetic brand and MSMEs to learn from and implement proven digital marketing techniques, increasing their competitiveness and supporting domestic economic growth through innovation and in the beauty industry, which is our explanation about the my research. Because I'm sorry, I changed my term because like I like hopeful, which is thank you.